Howdy folks, Bully here with some exciting news about our 2024 AAS display garden. As you can see, the Pearl River County Master Gardeners have been busy this spring creating a great garden space with a star-studded cast. Stick around and I'll share more details about these A-list celebrities. What better way to show off the results of all the hard work this year? As our project leader provides direction to our MG group, they are filming a garden documentary starring none other than a whole cast of AAS winners. Amazing what a little motivation and encouragement can do. From our garden observation bench, let's take a look at some of the stars of the AAS display garden. Vinca Mega Bloom Orchid Halo is always a great plant in our garden. It holds up to the heat with extra large blooms that last and keep on coming all summer long. A great border plant that has been around for a long time, Alyssum Royal Carpet, really performed great this year. With a fragrant light purple flower, this plant more than held its own well into August. A new AAS winner, Celosia Burning Embers, was one of the garden highlights this year. Dark foliage with pink veins that match the striking pink plumes bloomed well all season long. A 2022 winner, Verbena Vanity, was a pollinator magnet in the garden. Deep purple flowers on sturdy stems was certainly an eye-catcher. Another garden favorite, 1961 winner Rebecca Gloriosa Double, provided season-long production of large double flowers, perfect for floral arrangements. Taking a look at a few more stars of the garden wouldn't be complete without our top-performing zinnia, Profusion Red and Yellow Bicolor. This gold medal winner shows off all summer long with flowers that slowly morph into softer pastel shades of salmon, rose, and apricot. Another Celosia and visitor favorite was Celosia Flama Orange. Most first-time visitors to the garden had but one comment regarding this plant. What is that and where can I buy it? Where else are you going to find an orange display that is slow to fade in heat and humidity? Throughout the year, the garden stars were visited by many locals and what we call our garden regulars. During the annual Blueberry Jubilee, our garden hosts many out-of-town guests who flock to the display garden on tractor-pulled wagon tours for garden advice from our master gardeners. All in all, I'd say we had a pretty good garden year, made possible by our great group of volunteers and, of course, our garden stars, the AAS winners. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next year.